Welcome to CC030 Support, Inclusion, and Diversity. In this unit, you will learn how to reflect on your own values and beliefs, demonstrate inclusive practices, and support children to understand and respect diversity in everyday learning environments. As an educator, your role is not just to care for children, but to create a safe, respectful, and inclusive environment where every child feels they belong. Throughout this unit, we will guide you through practical strategies you can apply in real childcare and education settings. In early childhood education, diversity is part of everyday practice. Children come from different cultural, family, and social backgrounds, and each child brings their own identity, experiences, and needs. If inclusion is not actively supported, some children may feel excluded, misunderstood, or unsupported. That is why this unit is important. It helps you understand your own biases, build respectful relationships, and create inclusive learning experiences. These skills are essential for meeting the National Quality Standard, especially Quality Area 1 and 6. Let's start with Element 1. Reflect on your values and biases. Every educator brings their own life experiences into the workplace. These experiences shape how we think, act, and respond to others. Think about your upbringing, culture, education, and personal experiences. Ask yourself what beliefs you hold about families or behaviors and where those beliefs come from. Your beliefs can influence how you interact with children and families. For example, you might unintentionally treat a child differently because their behavior does not match your expectations.
Reflection helps you recognize this and adjust your approach.
To be inclusive, you must actively build self-awareness. This can include reflective journaling, asking for feedback, and attending professional development. Inclusive practice starts with understanding yourself first. Let's look at a simple example. A child speaks a language other than English at home and is quiet during group time. An educator might assume the child is disengaged.
But through reflection, the educator realizes the child may simply need support with communication and confidence.
Instead of labeling the child, the educator adapts their approach by using visual aids, gestures, and encouragement. This is inclusive practice in action. Now let's explore Element 2. Demonstrate respect for inclusion and diversity.
Diversity includes culture and language, gender identity, ability and disability, and family structures. Recognizing diversity helps you respond appropriately and respectfully. Use communication that is respectful, open, and non-judgmental.
Use inclusive language, listen actively, and avoid assumptions. All children and families should feel welcome to participate. This may include adapting activities, providing additional support, and encouraging every child's voice. Your daily practices should promote safety and inclusion. This includes cultural safety, gender inclusivity, and supporting children with additional needs. Inclusion should be visible in everything you do. Imagine you are planning an activity. Instead of using only one cultural perspective, you include books from different cultures, music from around the world, and discussions about family differences. This helps children see that diversity is normal and something to celebrate. The final part of this unit is Element 3, supporting children's understanding of inclusion and diversity. Build learning experiences based on children's identities and family backgrounds. Include cultural celebrations, display family photos, and use multilingual resources.
Consult with families and community members and follow appropriate cultural protocols when sharing knowledge.
Help children understand how people are similar and how people are different. This builds empathy and respect. Talk with children about fairness, kindness, and respect. Ask questions such as, how can we include everyone? And how would you feel in that situation? Observe children's behavior and interactions. If a child is excluded or struggling, provide support, adapt activities, and communicate with your team. Work with colleagues, mentors, or specialists when needed. Inclusive practice is a team effort. In this unit, you have learned how to reflect on your own values and biases, demonstrate inclusive and respectful practices, and support children to understand and value diversity. Inclusion is not a one-time action. It is something you practice every day. By creating inclusive environments, you help every child feel safe, respected, and valued. Now it's your turn. Work through your learning activities, reflect on your own experiences, and begin applying inclusive practices in your workplace. If you need support, your trainer is here to help. Let's create inclusive environments together.